Okay.
Hey, Zach, what you doing?
Shoveling.
Snow.
Hi, Alex.
Oh, hi.
Doing a good job. Oh, yes, you are handsome. You're so modest, too.
I just picked this thing up.
Kind of fluffy snow, isn't it?
Yeah. You gotta pick them up. You just watch what happens when you hit them.
Oh.
When I try to pick them. See, I was gonna...
It's blowing into the
Look
house.
at how deep this pile is over here.
Yeah, watch.
Oh, my goodness. That's quite a snowfall we have.
I didn't walk down the steps.
That was nice of her to pay you for shoveling.
She paid Dad too. Dad gave me a share.
She didn't have to do that.
I don't know. I told her she did, and she insisted. You know, one of those things.
Well, now you can go and clean it off for her later.